Oh, look at this. Just now had my 110 conibear up in a bird hole. Right there it is. What a deal. Getting them out of the thing. Justin, these conibears are good for this. This is the second one I caught today. Wow. Can't believe this. Daddy! I caught another one! Have my 110 conibear sitting up on that little bitty screw right there. I don't know if you can really see it. But right there's the hole. And then I come inside in the building and knocked the tiles up and everything. Made it come out real quick. Well, whenever it come out, snap, got it. I'm tickled to death. Can't believe it. I'm gonna get my pellet rifle.